And the chance now. It's wàhálà. So anything there are different. You can marry down short of right.
Purpose we could go lola. What's it alone? Let me no man go to the last mission. Yeah. From right from outside, except you, I don't think unless you give me why.
Problem.
Give me why.
Nígbà tá a há ìdílé.
Oh,
Àwọn ṣe.
the pastor, the pastor, not the church. The pastor.
Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ̀ ló wà. Is a pastor of Adìyẹ.
He said, no. She pastor. There is no church. There is pastor inside the Bible. And you know, I let him know the matter.
Ṣé tá a ṣe jẹ ní oṣù mi? Kò sí wàhálà. Gabriel, you are vibing. Work is not going, you are vibing. This is the first time I'm seeing you vibing. Hello. Ẹ má bínú jáde ló gbàgbé láti bá ìṣe kí ní ẹlànà iṣẹ́ pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi. Bàbá ń ṣe ní ìlú next 1 hour. Yes, I can hear you. Where is the list? Why is she making this call? The expiry of the content is not on the call. Let me just give me 1 second. Let me speak to her. Let me call her on my WhatsApp. Let me see if she's available. More so, actually, my group is transporting.
Wow. Oh my God, book a lot of people. I was very right here.
If there's no info, let's just go back and keep working on that. So that by tomorrow we'll review if they have any updates. Then if it's work tomorrow or something.
Hello, can you all hear me now?
And see how we have to do it.
Can you all hear me?
Hopefully we need to get it right by next week.
If you can hear me, just type I can hear you. I can hear you.
Even those guys, the driver, those owner of they are ready to work with us. I know by now they're already tired.
Hello, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just type I can hear you in the comment section.
We approve this. We did not approve this.
Are you hearing me?
His account. For him to start seeing this. So that's all from my end. Not any info, you can just drop it on the group. Let them wait on it.
Yes, I will.
And if I have anything, I can give you a call. All right, have a nice day.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Coming to up into the into bad yellow.
Hello, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just write okay on the
I
comment
don't
section.
say
You can hear me.
which way. I reckon one.
Hello, can you hear me?
No, I don't want to family alone.
Hillary,
You go back to my family alone.
what's going on? I reckon on the nuclear.
Yeah, no,
If you can hear me, can you indicate that you can hear me? Can you indicate? So sorry for that. I don't know that my mic is muted. So let's continue. What I'm actually saying is that when you open your chart, the first thing you need to check on the chart is that which direction, what's the directional bias of the market. You have to know maybe we are uptrend, downtrend, or we are in the range market. You have to know the condition of market before you can know what you will do, what you are thinking about. You are meant to position yourself for either a buy market or you want to sell. So you have to know the one you are going to position yourself for. And number two, what you are going to look out for when you know the directional bias of the market is like you have to know where the market is accumulating because every market we see they accumulate. Are you getting my point? Every market before this we have something we call AMD concept in the market. Every market movement move based on this concept of AMD. They accumulate order, they manipulate trader, and they start distribution. This accumulation is what they use to take order from retail traders to accumulate order of retail traders. Manipulation is when they fake little traders to enter the wrong direction or the wrong direction in the market. And this distribution is when the financial institution they step into the market and want to move the market onto their way. And this distribution movement is only a very fast movement in the market. And this movement is what has been we in this session we are going to position ourselves to take, because today we are waiting for NFP data in this session. And that's when I'm using this concept to do the analysis here now. You can see this is a 15-minute time frame. As you can see here now, this market, you can see as it's doing something like this here, all this star ranging here. Now we have successful work getting good to come and retest this place back before pushing up. So this pushing up is a movement that we should be expecting in news, because we have NFP news today, and the NFP data that is going to come out today is what's it called, the September data, because we know that for over 2 months now, yes, the government went on the shutdown and we don't release some. So the data we are expecting today is NFP for September. So this is my analysis, and I said that someone asked me that are we going to enter market immediately? No. Like I said, I still always stay with confirmation. When I see the test back to this level here, which is something as flip zone,
Yeah. You really come.
which is standing as a flip zone. So that's when we have our confirmation, we enter the market and we do what we trade. So in this live session now, just hold on the live and let's look on for price action of this asset. And if you have a trade, we enter and we make our money and leave the market. So if you have any question, just write a question in the comment section while we are still waiting for market to see what you are going to do with it. In the process of us waiting for setup, waiting for our confirmation, we already have a breakout. But for us, best market as in best trade you can ever take is break and retest. Now you have already seen breakout. Let's wait for the fall into the trap of this kind of one. This one now, I know it's a fake breakout, because this kind of breakouts actually I'm looking for buy opportunity. And when I see this breakout, I know that this breakout is just a fake breakout. It's not a real one. So some people will have entered sell from here, and this now market has taken them out. That's when most beginners they lose money and say, what have I done wrong? What did you know? It's not about you doing something wrong, but you don't know, you have no acquired the real knowledge you're supposed to do in the market. So this one here now, we see the market. So we wait for the test on this place. When we see come to the test, we look for engulfing candles. All of you know that I use either engulfing candle or hammer for my entry confirmation. So when I see either engulfing candle or hammer at this zone here where I'm expecting market to retest, so we go what? We go bullish. And anything that make this market sell, definitely I won't lie to you, we have no trade for today, because what I position myself for is to follow the higher time frame trend, which is a bullish run. So that's what I got for you. If you have any question, in the process of us waiting for sector, waiting for confirmation, please drop your question in the comment section. I will attend to every question you have.
Okay. Oh.
I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, just let me know. Let me see your question under the comment section. Ask the question there.
Okay, share what I.
Any question, ask a question under the comment section. I'm waiting. For the sake of someone that has, are we going to buy immediately at 230? No, we are not buying immediately. Let's wait for confirmation before we enter market. I trade with confirmation. I don't use pending order or anything. And like I said earlier, what I use for my confirmation is either engulfing candle or hammer. So once we see a retest back to this level here, all of you can see my screen and you can see my direction as in my arrow direction. So once I can see a retest back to this level here, let me mark it out. Once I can see a retest back to this market, I have to come and retest back. So once I see a retest back to this place, so we do what? We enter and we see the confirmation either engulfing or hammer. So we enter our trade. Any other question again? Any other question? I'm waiting for question. We have 30 minutes more to go. NFP data. We have 30 more minutes to go for NFP data to be released. 30 more minutes.
Ẹni ìkan tó bí problem fún àwọn OTT àgbọ̀nìtẹ̀ wa mẹ́. Wọ́n lè fi ìlú mọ́tò ẹ̀fọ́ ọ̀nà ẹ̀ sí. Ní ìṣòro tí kàn fún wọn. Àwọn pẹ̀lú ló wálé wálé rí báyìí. This is a good problem. The problem that I have faced because the when I face problem people to move it. Mo kí ni àwọn ọmọ ti tu o.
Èmi gan mo àgbà tó ń sọ ọ́ sìn. Ìjọba tó ní kótó ẹ̀ gan fi ń tu rẹ̀.
Because tí wàá máa sẹ́ni. Lórí kan tí wàá máa sẹ́ni kan, ọjọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lẹ́gbẹ́ bá náà mọ́ta. Ṣé ta bá náà dáì?
Òdìta lọ́hùn náà. Ilé máa ń bá òwò àìsàn àkànnípa.